वेलकम टू आवर चैनल AKB मशीन्स। दोस्तों AKB मशीन्स चैनल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है फ्रेंड्स। सो वी हैव कस्टमर बेस ऑल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड फ्रेंड्स। वी गेट कस्टमर्स फ्रॉम अफ्रीका, फ्रॉम साउथ अमेरिका, फ्रॉम यूरोप, कैनेडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. We have a lot of customers from different places friends. So for many customers, especially from the customers from Africa like Kenya, Tanzania, Mombasa, Uganda, then Laos, then Kampala, all these places people demand a very compact minute juice packing machine. So we have provided this machine friends. With this machine you can make these kind of products friends. You can make this kind of HDPE bottle or Litchi bottle. You can make with this kind of machine. You can see over here, you can make these kind of Litchi bottles over here. The filling will happen over here, the sealing also will happen over here with this very bottle, with this very machine friends. Also you can fill this mango juice friends. You can fill this mango, lychee, guava, pineapple, whatever juice you want. You can just just call us and we'll inform you more about the formulation. You will get all kind of formulation from us friends. So you can make these kind of bottles also with this machine. Also friends, you can make these kind of pouches friends. These kind of amazing pouches friends. You can make these kind of pouches also over here. Apart from these pouches, you can also make these kind of paperboard pouches. So you just have to place the pouch over here. Okay, just fill it. Okay, after filling it, you can just cap it manually friends. Just cap it manually and we are done. Your product is ready friends. So you can just adjust the ml. You can fill from 20 ml up till 5 liters. There is no problem. The filling range is very good. According to your requirement, you can fill any kind of bottle. It can be around 200 ml, 2 liters, whatever the size is. You can just fill it and capping. It's very easy friends. So the machine is very compact. We can easily ship it to you to your destination. Just call us on our WhatsApp number, that is +91 8822 686868, and we will provide you more information about this lightweight, very compact machine. It can be easily shipped anywhere across the world friends. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. Stay tuned and we'll inform you more updates about our new machines. We are developing new machines constantly and we'll upload more videos and we'll keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching friends.